Hey everyone, today we're going to look at the Hot Wheels Road Construction Playtrack. This set comes with a construction worker, working graveling hopper, contains pieces to the Hot Wheels World Playtrack, attaches to the Hot Wheels World Playtrack, 9 pieces of track, and it comes with includes one dump truck. Here's a quick look at the front in the box. This set is actually an art paint set from the Hot Wheels World collection. In the back of the box, and here's a picture that shows all the Hot Wheels World places available at the time. And we're going to have some construction cars. We're going to have some extra construction cars in this playset for 4. This set has a cover of 1996 and made in China. Inside the box, we have a lot of pieces to put together. We have a sticker sheet, an instruction manual, the accessories, the tracks, the playset, the worker, and here's a close look at the dump truck included. Here's a look at the set fully assembled. As you can see, it took like 20 minutes to put all the stickers and the pieces together. We only have one car on this play set. Here's a look at the car. Here's a look at the car included. This is a really old Hot Wheels type play set. And we gotta have some extra cars, extra construction cars, and a limited edition car. First, we're going to look at the limited edition. It's the Right Aid limited edition Hot Wheels truck and the monster truck. And it's from the Hot Wheels Track Systems. And let's open it up. And we're going to have some extra cars, 3 construction cars, and 1 recycling video, and 1 recycling truck. And enjoy the video.